In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today our topic is line segments and perimeters. This is our video number 38 and lesson number 5 of final term. And we are going to start your book page 144. Means line segments and perimeter is given. This topic is given in your book page 144. Dear students, first of all, we are going to learn about the definition of line segment. So the question is, what is line segment? The definition of line segment is the part of a line that connects 2 points. It is the shortest distance between 2 points. For example, this is one point and this is another point. So I am giving the name of this point is A and suppose this point is B. So the shortest distance mean this distance. So the distance between A to B, this is called the shortest distance. So line segment is a part of a line that connects 2 points and it is the shortest distance between 2 points. So you can measure uh, this line segment with the help of ruler. Dear students, this is your ruler and you can uh, use ruler to find the length of any line segment or any object. In this ruler, remember that we use centimeter and inches to measure the length of any object. Dear students, these are centimeters. In this ruler a scale, we have 30 centimeter. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to so on, up to 30. So we have 30 centimeter. And the aboves are, these are inches. So 1 inch, second, third, 4, 5 inches, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 inches. Here we have 12 inches and 30 centimeter. It means 2.5 centimeter gives us 1 inch. Look at here. This is 1 inch. If you exceed this line, it means here we have 2.5, 2.5 centimeter equal to 1 inch. And dear students, also in this lecture, we will also discuss about perimeter. What is perimeter? Question is, what is perimeter? Not line perimeter only. This is not line. What is perimeter? So the definition of perimeter is, perimeter is a word. Perimeter is the word we use for the total length of the sides of any shape. For example, dear students, you know that this is the shape of rectangle, and you know that rectangle has length and breadth. So if we want to find the perimeter of this shape, we must add all its length, all its sides. So we measure this side, then we measure this side is called breadth. Again we measure length, and again we measure breadth. After that we add all these sides and we get perimeter. Perimeter, in other words, you can say perimeter is the total length of the side of any shape. So look at this shape carefully, how we will measure the lengths and breadths of this shape with the help of ruler. Okay, dear students, you have to put this shape in the uh, so it is better for you to measure the length of this shape in centimeter. You can measure in inches as well, but I am okay. This is 8 centimeter. Dear students, look at very carefully. This is 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means length is 8 centimeter. If this length is 8 centimeter, definitely this length is same. So this is also 8 centimeter. Remember that the length of this rectangle is 8 centimeter. Now after that you can put your scale on above the breadth of the rectangle. So now you can measure the length of this rectangle. Count the centimeters: 1, 2, 3, 4, approximately 5. So the breadth is 5 centimeter. Breadth of this rectangle is 5 centimeter. And you know that we measured the length as well. Length was 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. So if we want to find the perimeter of this shape, we must add all all shapes, all sides of this shape, all sides of this shape. So perimeter is equal to 5, start from any side, 5 plus 8 plus 8, 8 centimeter, so this is cm, plus plus 5 cm and plus 8 cm. Means add the lengths of all sides. Therefore we add 8 plus 5 13, or you can add like this: 8 plus 8 16, and 5 plus 5 10, 16 plus 10 26, or you can add 8 plus 5 13 plus 5 18 plus 8 26. It means the perimeter of this shape is 26 centimeter. Dear students, so here in your book page 124, some shapes are given. So the statement of question 1 is: measure all the line segments and write the lengths. Students, this is rectangle, this is triangle, and this is regular rhombus, a diamond and rectangle, some other shapes are also given. So you are required to put your scale and measure each side of each shape with the help of your scale. But remember that you have to measure the lengths in centimeter, so it is better for you. So the first shape is rectangle shape ABC. The name of this rectangle is ABCD. So you have to put your scale here, and you will find 4 centimeter length here. After that, you put your scale here, it will 2 centimeter. If this is 2, definitely it will 2, because we know that the opposite sides of rectangles are always same. Similarly, you can measure C and D, it will also 4 centimeter. So here I have measured all the sides of all shapes. So you have to copy the lengths, or you can measure all the lengths by yourself. So the next one is here in your book page 144. In next rectangle you can measure the side PQ is 4 centimeter with the help of scale. But right here 4.5 centimeter. This side is called RQ or QR. This is also 4.5 centimeter. And put your scale here, and this is also 3.6 centimeter. Similarly, you can measure this side. This is 2.7, and this shape is regular shape, regular rhombus. So all sides are equal. So therefore, if one is 2 points, all sides are 2.7, 2.7. Similarly, here you can measure this side 6.2. Of course, this is 6.2. This is because this is the opposite side of rectangle, and breadth is 1 centimeter, and definitely it will be 1 centimeter. So in this way, you can measure the sides, and you can only just measure the sides with the help of your ruler and just write the lengths. That's it. Here there are two more shapes, and you can measure the sides of this shape with the help of ruler. Lengths are given, and also you can measure the lengths of this shape by yourself. Here this shape, this is four bounded sided figures. These are shapes of figures, you can say HI 5.5, HK 2.7, KJ 3.2, JI 4, and IK 4. Similarly, you can measure uh, the sides of last shape. Now I'm going to move on page 155. In page 155, some shapes are given. So first of all, we will measure the sides, and then we record the perimeter of each shape. So uh, you can measure this shape in inches and centimeter. So it is better for you to use the centimeter unit, because in your ruler there are two units are given. In one side there are inches, and on another side there are centimeters I have shown. So look at the statement of one. The statement of question one is measure the sides and record the perimeter of each shape. Remember to write the unit. Unit means centimeter. Centimeter is the length of unit. So here is remember the sides. Shape is rectangle. So this rectangle is called STU or UST. The name of this, not rectangle, this is triangle. The name of this triangle is STU or TSU or UST, you can say. So first of all, you will put your scale and then you measure this anyone first. This side is called T S and it is 4.3 centimeter. After that you measure this shape, this side, sorry, this side is called SU, and you will find 4.3 centimeter. After that you measure U and T, so you will find the length of this side 3.3 centimeter. First of all I am going to write these lengths. So in centimeter as st, st is 4.3, right? St is equal to 4.3 centimeter, means the length of st is 4.3 uh, centimeter. Similarly su is also 4.3 centimeter, and side ut or tu, you can write tu first, you letter a tu a ut is 3.3 centimeter. After that, what is the statement? Statement is record the perimeter. How we find the perimeter? You know that perimeter is the total length of the sides of any shape. So here we have three sides, so we will write here perimeter equal to, we will add this side, this side, and this side, three sides, 4.3 plus 4.3 plus 3.3. So you can write here 4.3, then again 4.3, then again 3.3. Dear students, remember that the point should be in one column. This point, this point, this point. So after that we add 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. Then put point, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 11. So 11.9 centimeter is the perimeter of this triangle. Mean length from here to here. Mean outside around length is 11.9 centimeter. Similarly, in second shape, students, you have to measure CD this side, you will find 6 centimeter. It is 3.8 centimeter. And this is 3.7 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. Dear students, remember that this shape is not exactly 3.8, it is just a sketch. So in your book, you have to put your book in front of you. After that you measure and write accurate lengths. This length is not accurate, but here the reading is 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 written or written correct. So you have to, if whenever you will measure part B, you will find CD 6 centimeter, because I have already measured. So when you measure this, you will get 3.8, here 4, here 3.7. So after that, after written these lengths, so you write separately in down. This is CD 6, FE 3.7, and CF 3.8 and 4. And after that you measure, uh, after that you record perimeter. How you find perimeter? Write perimeter equal to this plus this, in 6 plus 3.7 plus 3.8 plus 4. 6 plus 3.7, 3.8 plus 4. So write 6, 6, then write 3.7. Dear students, if there is no point, it means point is at the right. So you can write 6 as 6.0. It is easy for you to add decimal numbers. So make the solid number into decimal. So 3.7, 3.8, and there is 4. You can write, express 4 as 4.0. 8 plus 7, 15, carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7, plus 3, 10, plus 3, 13, plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7, plus 3, 10, plus 3, 13, plus 4, 17. Sorry, right here. Here is 16 is written, but you have to write 17. Here is 17.5. So students, in this way, you can measure the sides of remaining shapes. After that, write the length of each shape separately, and then you can add. In this way, you can find the perimeter of any shape. So here lengths of these shapes have already been written. After that, the lengths written again separately, and then here the perimeter is written. So you can solve and record these perimeters by yourself. Next page is page 146. In page 146, the word problems regarding perimeter is given. The word problems regarding perimeters are given. Read the word problems carefully, then work out the answer with the help of diagram. Dear students, it is difficult for you to draw the diagram of length 16 centimeter, 12 centimeter. You can just sketch a diagram. Look at the statement of first. A triangle has sides measuring 16 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 12 centimeter. What is its perimeter? Dear students, you know that triangle is a uh, three bounded sided figure is called triangle. So I'm going to sketch this triangle here. Suppose this length is 17, this length is 12, and this length is 7. It is not accurate length. I'm just sketching 16 centimeter. The second one is 12 centimeter, and this is 7 centimeter. So when we find the perimeter, we know that perimeter equal to sum of all sides. Here we have three sides and sum mean to add, right? Perimeter again equal to 16 centimeter, then plus 12, plus 7 you can write first, no problem. In addition, you can change the order opposition of lengths. You can write 12 first, 7 later, no problem. Plus 12 centimeter. So here you can write in vertical form 16, 12, 7. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So 35 centimeter. The next one is, if Sid Space Walker walks right round a square shaped Roman fort, each side of which is 224-meter long, how far does he walk? I am just going to sketch the square shaped Roman fort. So this is square mean whenever we use the word square, it means we have same side. So one side is given, it means the remaining three sides will be same. One side is here 224. It means this is square shape fort. It means the remaining three sides are also 224, 224, 224. Because we know that in square shape we always have 4 equal sides. So that is why we call it square. So after that we write perimeter. Students, perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Students, perimeter means sum of all sides. Here all sides are equal. Instead of adding 224 4 times, you can just multiply one side by 4. So 4 multiplied by side, perimeter of square equal to 4 multiplied by square shaped fort equal to 4 multiplied by side. And after that you can write this statement again and put the value of side. Perimeter of square shape fort equal to 4 multiplied by side is 224 meter. Then after that you can multiply by writing in vertical form. 224 multiplied by 4. 4 fours are 16, carry 1. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 9. 4 twos are 8. 896 meter. Dear students, similarly here the height of door of Samir's classroom is 210 and it is 90 meter wide. What is its perimeter? We are going to discuss this problem. This is a door. Height is 210 and width is a breadth is 90 meter. If this breadth is 90, definitely it will 90. If this is 210, definitely this height will be same. Dear students, you know that the length of rectangular shape, the perimeter of rectangular shape is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Instead of adding length 2 times and breadth 2 times, you just you just add length and breadth 1 time and then multiply by 2. So you can add 90 plus 210 plus 90 plus 210, and also you can use this method. Add 2 times and add this and this, and after that multiply by 2. So remember this formula, perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So here instead of length put 210 because this is length, this is length, and this is breadth. So here we will put, instead of length 210, instead of breadth we will write 90. Then we add them first because this bracket shows that we will add these two lengths first and then we multiply by 2. 210 plus 90 plus 90. So we get 0 plus 0 0, 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3. 300 plus multiply by 2 we get 600. So perimeter equal to perimeter of this door is equal to 600 centimeter. Dear students, in this way you can solve part C. Here the shape of the rectangular triangle is given and also lengths are given, and you can find the perimeter by adding all of its sides. And this was our topic regarding perimeter. Remember that I am just going to repeat myself once again. Please listen me very carefully. Perimeter is the length of total length of a side of any sides of any shape. Mean outer length of outer boundary. So if there are 3 lengths, so we can add 3 lengths. If there are 4 sides, we can add 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides. So it's depend upon the shape. In next video, inshallah, we will learn about meter and centimeter. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.